are you doing? Well, I'm feeling great, and guess what? It's almost winter, and it's just 5:30 now, and if you can tell, it's really dark outside. I have my light on and everything. So, this is gonna be a video about the wonderful Microbit. Okay, so I am not getting sponsored by the Microbit. I'm just doing it because of how fun it is. You can basically put one piece of code, because it's a microprocessor, and this microprocessor is in the laptop which I'm recording on, the webcam that I'm using, the phone, and a fridge, and even a toaster. So, this microprocessor can hold one piece of code. And as you can see, you can put a bunch of other plugins down here. And with those plugins, you can do stuff like you can measure the soil moisture. How about that? And basically you can plug those in and then plug it to a metal rod and then plug it to your Microbit, make the right code, and voila. Okay, now if you haven't already noticed, the front of the Microbit, which is this, has the 5x5 red LED light. When you first turn your Microbit on, it will show you a bunch of stuff which says clap your hands 5 times, shake the Microbit 3 times, and then click button B and click button A. Next, the Microbit package also gives you this wire. The big part goes into your laptop, and this part goes into your Microbit, and I'll show you what the Microbit has at the back. And I'll show you there where this wire will go into your Microbit. The Microbit also comes with a battery pack, and you will definitely be needing this, so do not lose it. And you'll be needing this wire too. Okay, so the reason I'll be needing this battery pack is, well, the thing is that even if you plug this in and then your laptop or PC, it'll work perfectly. Nothing flawless. But if you want to do a project which says, well, you thought of, and then you basically think, let's go to a room and see how warm it is or how cold it is. You'll go to another room downstairs and see how warm or cold it is. And then instead of carrying your laptop and running or even walking and holding your Microbit will be kind of risky and you drop your laptop. And if you have a PC, well, it would be very, 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 very hard. Okay, so that's not possible. So that's why you have this battery pack. Let's move on and see what the Microbit has at the back. This is the front, and this is the back. This one right here is where you can plug in your battery pack. This one right here is a reset and power button. This one right here is where you can plug in your USB. The BLE antenna, and there is a microphone and a speaker. Of course, a microprocessor needs a processor, a compass, and pins, which are the things down here. You can do a lot of stuff with this Microbit. I'll be showing you one piece of code in my future video. It's very easy. It's just, well, making a name tag. So in the beginning, it shows something called hello. We'll basically be doing that, but with your name, or the name of your pet, the name of your family, or something like that. So you just put something down there, and I will be making harder and slightly harder and a little bit harder projects. So after this one and my name tag, I will be showing you something called a Tamagotchi microbit pet. So stay tuned to watch those 2 videos. I hope you enjoy learning about the wonderful microbit. See you soon. Bye bye.